Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Ako nga pala ulit si Dan, nagbabalik sa panibagong video. Sana maglaro ng free random horror games. Wala, nag-search ako ng free random horror games. May nakita ako mga free random horror games. 3 free random horror games sa social media. And yeah, lalaroin natin siya today. So ano pa hinihintay natin? So it's the time to play this game. So, late pizza delivery play. So, ito yung first game. Pizza. Ito open. May pera. Pwede ba natin yung bulsa? To talk. How's the pizza making going? Chef. It's going alright. Not many people ordering this late, but I had some trouble with the oven, so I'm a bit behind. Ba't mo ino-oven? Pwede ba ilagay mo na sa parang yung bato niluluto ng mga taga-ibang bansa? We've got 4 deliveries left tonight. Oh, alright. I'll get started on those deliveries then. Stay safe. Okay, thank you. Pick up the pizza. Where's the freaking pizza? Saan nakalagay? So, 4 na pizza yung kailangan. 4 delivery pizza daw, pero isa lang yung binigay. Likod ba? Ako ito i-deliver. Okay. So, may arrow dito sa baba. Okay, 100 meters. Liliko ba tayo? Liliko tayo. Oh, lumagpas ka. May shift? Okay, may isang person nang kukuha ng pizza. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 7, Customer, you're late. I've been watching the clock and the window. Sorry, we had a problem with the oven in the kitchen. Oven problem? I hope the pizza isn't burned. Just give it to me already. Here you go, sir. Okay. Medyo masungit. Ewan ko, but yeah, normal lang siguro yun, I guess. Kasi sa lahat ng bagay, may mabait, may hindi mabait. Na for example, sa parcel, yung mga ganun talagang tao, like, mainitin ulo, hindi mapaghintay. Kasi yung parcel ko, ito ganyan. Tagal na ilang araw na, buwan na lumipas. I mean, pag buwan na yung lumipas, valid yung reason. Valid crash out. So, it's yung pizza. 4 meters, okay. Pang pizza. Counter pickup. So isa-isa, hindi ba pwedeng hindi na tayo babalik sa ano natin? Deliver customer 2 by car. So asan yung customer na yun? So nasa 200 meters siya. Okay, malayo. 100. Kakaliwa ba tayo? Nope, hindi. So, diretso lang. I mean, kakaliwa tayo. What? Same person? Manny Pacquiao? You're late. This better still be hot. Okay. Yeah, mainit yan. Kasing init ng ulo mo. It's fresh out of the oven, sir. I'd better be. Goodbye. I'd better be. What do you mean? I'd better be. Let her be. Let her be. I hope hindi pa deads yung kasama natin. Okay, hindi pa deads. Pick up the pizza again and deliver. So, dito. Okay. Diretso lang. Okay, nandito siya. Same person pa rin o babae na yan? I don't know. Okay, babae na siya. Si Aunt May. Si Peter Parker. Ikaw yung lola ni Spider-Man. I mean, tita ni Spider-Man. Oh, thank you, dear. You should be careful. People have been going missing around here lately. Keep my eyes open, thanks. Ano ka magsashabu? Keep your eyes open. Adik. Okay. Pila, may nakatayo ah. May nakatayo dito kanina. Wait lang. Oh, hindi. Guni-guni ko lang. So, last pizza. What was the woman talking about? Deliver customer. Okay. Ako, tol. Kinakabahan ako. May nagsabi sa akin. Dapat daw, mag-ingat ako kasi minunguha daw ng bata. I mean, nangunguha ng tao. Something missing. I don't know. Yun ba yung kumukuha ng tao? Like, yung kasamahan natin? Siya ba? Like, sangkot ba siya sa illegal na droga? Wait, parang ang creepy niya. Oh my gulay! Jason! Customer! Hello, how can I help you? Pizza delivery! I didn't order anything. I think I got it right. Yeah, you're right. Just go to the park between those apartments next to me. Go to the park? What do you mean park? No, niloloko tayo. Dito tayo nagkakatalo like... I mean dito? Dito raw ba? Okay, lalayo ako. What? Something is wrong. Bro, patay si Aunt May! Aunt May! Talk to me! Uy! Hindi ba siya napagsalita? Nagripuhan. Taktitondo ba to? I better be going. I better be. Sabi nga nung isa, I better be. Takbo sa sakyan! Uwi na ba tayo? Yeah, uwi na tayo. What? Ilang, katinong braso ko. My bad. $130, $180. So, malapit na sa pinag-deliveran namin sa ano na namin ng pizza. What the frick? What the heck? What? What? Nagawa mo? So, asa yung cellphone niya? Nagtitiktok ba siya? What are you doing? Hello? Can you hear me? La 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 la! La 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 la! I'm Oswald! Abnoy! Dahil ano yun? So, patay na yung kasama natin. Yun na ba yung kasama natin? Okay, sabi ko na, wala na siya eh. What? All deliveries are done? Uy! Bloody Mary! Ba't nagdudugo yung mata niya? Sabi ko na, nagdodroga sila dito eh. Call for help! Dispatcher. 911, how can I help you? Help! Someone weird is here in the pizza. Oh, weird. Ang weird. He has no eyes. Please come. Stay calm. We are on our way. So, yun lang yung game niya. Woo, 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 woo! What? Okay. Okay, yun lang. Death trips. Did I exit? What? Created by Amuse. October 31, 2008. Inspector M. James is in a hunt for a serial killer called Lady Death. The last victim of this dreadful criminal was found in this cheap hotel where Lady James is currently investigating. Unfortunately for the inspector, the murder is still still here. What? Ano to, bata? Hindi. Ano to? Radyo? Huh? Reception? Cause you are the only reception. Cause you are the only reception. Okay, inakit tayo sa taas. Hello? Uy! 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 What? What? Okay, game. So, house. Okay, new game ulit. New game. So, dito daga tayo. Nestled in the heart of Willow Creek, a quaint little town. Okay, space pala yung ano. Whispers of ancient terror linger, legends speaks of a ghost. Unseen yet chillingly presents. Usually, it's human who face such dread. But today, our story takes a tiny turn. So parang na-reverse card tayo, ganun yan, yung sabi ko. Mom, I bet I can reach the house first. Mimi, no fair, Max. You're always cheating. Ako sa magkapatid sila. Tapos tayo naman yung nanay. Nanay na daga. Slow down, you two. You be careful out there. This isn't a game. I'm going to have to catch you if you don't. Okay guys, so look. Ang cute oh. Paa ng sanggol. Ang cute ang putik. So kanina may daga doon sa batya ng CR namin. Ang cute. Lumalangoy siya. Okay. Talon. So ba't sa kwarto? That's sa kusina. Kids, where are you? Mimi and Max. Under the bed, Mom. Under the bed? Under his bed. Well, you two certainly found a cozy hiding spot. Let's hope there aren't any spiders lurking around here. Alright. Who won the race to the house? Definitely me, Mom. Tomboy ba to? O B? Bye? I was the fastest. Mom, he cheated. He pushed me. Alright, you two, enough bickering. We came here to find food, remember? I bet you're both starving after the long trip. So stay right here. Don't move on each. Akala ko B. I mean, each. Yeah, each. I'm going to explore. Bro, ang cute naman no, ano, like, nung face nila sa mga dialogue. The house, I'm going to explore the house and see if I can find something to eat. It'll be good, Mom. Just stay safe. Love you, Mom. Love you too, kids. Okay. Great luck. The door is closed. I wonder. What if I push this pot? It's bound to make a lot of noise. Maybe someone will come check it out. So, lalaglag na. Whoop! Whoop! Whoopa! So, di mo na. Okay, may tatalo tayo dito. Whoops! Ang cozy ng higaan. Gusto ko na matulog kaysa pakainin yung mga palamunin kong anak. Ay, kagi. Mas better na magpahinga at ako lang yung makakain. Mapagpahinga na ako lang. Okay, wait. Akit tayo dito. Whoops! Push, push. Tapos tago. Better hide. Okay, hiding spot. Is this a hiding spot? What was that? But parang character sila sa sa hapunan, and as expected, it was nothing. I'm pretty sure it's that ghost I kept seeing. If only Dad and my brother would believe me. A ghost, huh? That's interesting. Search for food. Let's go search for food. Oh, may gulay. How about this? This is a bathroom, bro. Ano makakain mo dito? Tubol? Search for freaking food. O laban sa mga labahan. Ay, may tao dito banda. Ayaw mo ba ng diaper, dyaryo, o birth certificate? Pera ng may-ari nitong bahay. Yeah, birth certificate yung paborito nyo. Search for food! Here I come! Woo! 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 So, may tao dito nakaiga. I think, tulog siya. So, we better be search for food! Natago dito. Go right here. How to interact? I mean, interact mo to. Tulak mo. No, we can't. Tago tayo dito. Dito, oy! Oh, look! Cheese! This is perfect! Looks like we're having cheese for dinner tonight. Lucky me! Good, I hope They're both asleep. So may aso ba yan o unggoy? Chimpanzee o gorilla? No, how am I going to get that cheese without making them up? Reach the seas? Oh, what the heck? Pag nagpakita ba tayo dito, kakatayin tayo niyan? So ito, gorilla ba to? Wait lang, dito muna tayo. Ano meron dito? Wala. Pwede ba tayo lumabas? Okay, hindi tayo makano. Wait lang. Bro, ang kulit ng takbo ang putik. So, whoop! Okay, paano to? Na, bro, ayoko. Jumpscare yan eh. How can I reach that? How can I reach that cheese? Wait a minute. So, dito lang yung way. Here's the only way. Tapos talon dito. Oh, may gulay. Okay. Umakit tayo sa tabi niya. Well, that wasn't so bad, was it? Ah! Nya! Did you think you could steal from us that easily? So si Pussycat, Pussman Boots. I'm Pico and I will. Oh, hey Pico! I'm Millie the house. Nice to meet you. Bro, nakipagkilala ka sa pusa. Nakipag-meet and greet siya sa pusa. Oh, nice to meet you too. Like, ikaw na ang kakainin ko, bro. Tama ng pagpapakilala. Ikaw na ang next. Wait, this isn't what I should say. Oh yeah! I'm too hungry too, so would you be my dinner for today? Well, if you catch me first. Oh, I will. Uy! So, ba't tayo nag-moonwalk pa atras? Nag-moonwalk tayo pa atras. Game over. Retry, okay. Nag-moonwalk tayo, guys. Nagpa-atras yung takbo natin, eh. Okay na. If you catch me first, I will. Uy! Okay, nakaharang na upuan. Like, nagpupuga yung iba. Ge, kainin mo yan. Gito, ganyan. Patayin mo yan, daga na yan. Okay. Bo. Okay, alam ko na saan agad pupunta. Ang cute to, parang, kala ko, sanggol eh. Okay, gigil na gigil si Pico sa atin. Likod lang natin siya, di na tayo lilingon. Diretso lang, please. Okay na. Uy! What? Huh? Hello? Ang cute. What? What was that thing? Hello? Sino yan? It's a black person. I should get back to the kids. I've left them alone for too long. Wait, is that a crow? Okay. Okay. Malungkot si Crow, like, sad boy. Oh man, I'm so hungry. Okay. Next na habol sa atin itong uwak. Kasi daga tayo. Maybe I could find a tasty rat around here. Sumakto pa talaga. Only it was smart enough not to move while I'm looking. You know, I can't really tell the difference between a rock and a still rat. So kalaban natin next is uwak. Well, that's helpful. If I hear that annoying cow or see him flying around, I'll have to stay complete still. No sudden moves. I have to be extra careful. Okay, yun siya. Nakatingin ba siya? What? Nakatalikod naman siya. Bawal pa rin ako gumalaw, di ba? Okay, bawal pa rin ako gumalaw. Nakasobra. Pwede ba ako gumalaw? Parang ayoko pa rin gumalaw pa kahit nandyan siya. Sabi na eh! Sabi ko na eh! Okay. Lapit na tayo. Wag mo sabihing may daga rin tayong kalaban dyan. Kita niya pa rin tayo dito eh. Kahit hindi ako gagalaw dito. Oh, lumilingon siya dito. Gets. Tatalon tayo dito. Wait lang. Hintay ko siya dumapo dun sa kabila. Okay. What? Ano tatalon? Okay, ang hirap itong part na to ah. Tatalon tayo sa kabila. Babuelo tayo. Ayan na 1. Ayan na 2. Okay. Okay. Ah, thank you! Nakapasok di. Okay, si Spider-Man. Okay. Ay, wala akong makita. It's really dark in here. I better hurry up. What if magalaw mo yung sapot? Uy! Ah! What the? Tat. I mean, squeak! Ano yan? Toy Story? That hindi malaman ng tao nagsasalita ka? Don't play dumb, talkative mouse. I've seen weirder stuff here. Talkative bugs. Ghost. Oh! I'm a thief, okay? Oh, may kasama tayo. May kasama tayo sa vent. So, magnanakaw siya. I'm a thief, okay? Trying to steal from this house. Got stuck in the vents. Rico, sumakit yung braso ko. Okay. So, na-stuck siya sa vent. Ano ka, Among Us? Ikaw ba si Red? Ano tawag doon? Red Impostor. Now I'm seeing bugs talking to each other. So, you're bugs. Thought I was going crazy. Then I saw a black shadowy entity ghost-like thing. Oh, yung tumulong sa atin. I mean, yung hinabol tayo ni Pico tapos may ghost. Okay. Crawling through this vent. Crawling through this vent? He was talking about destroying this family or something. Okay! I should probably just... What? Di ko pinito that. But hey, if I'm not gonna survive, you might as well. Take my flashlight, it might help you. I'm a mouse, how can I supposed to hold that thing? Totoo naman. Diba? Like yung complimentary horror game flashlight natin. Oh, I've got some duct tape, just stick it into your back. You equip the flashlight. Oh! And now you can turn it on and off by pressing the F button. On the flashlight, of course. Sounds like you are a useless game mechanic. Sounds like a useless game mechanic. Okay. Also, the exit is just in front of... But, skip. Be safe, mouse. So, may ghost daw banda dito sa may vent. What the heck? Oh, hey, little mouse. Mr. Spider is very hungry. What? Kaya mo yan eh. Kaya may labanan, daga ka. Wait, is that a flashlight on your back? We're not going to talk about the flashlight. Bakit ganito yung game? Right, so... Would you mind? What do you mean, would you mind? Being my dinner for today. Mapapusa, mapaibon, mapagagamba. Escape. Okay, escape from the spider. Okay, daga laban sa gagamba. Wala mang kalaban si Spider-Man na daga ah. Kaya niya pa yung daga. Okay. Mating na siya. Okay, tatakbo na tayo. So, nasa likod lang natin siya. Sa likod lang natin siya. And I think straight lang to. Gigilid tayo. Gilid tayo ulit. Kaliwa. Diba? Ikot. What the frick? Wait, wala yung sa usapan na may pa-curve. Uy, wait lang. Uy, what the heck? Please, I hope malayo pa siya. Oh, ito yung ghost na siya sabi niya. Oh, okay. No one here? Huh? Yeah, no moving things. Remember the plan, turn off the lights and then consume them all. Wah! I hope no one interrupts me or turn on the lights because I can't work while the lights are on. It hurts me. Was that the ghost? And did he say that he wants to kill the family? I can't just let that happen. So, buwaba na tayo ng vent? So, hindi daw siya pwedeng... Nandiyan ba si Pico? Pico? Pwede ba tayo magtago dito? Hindi. Ayun. Okay, may mga mouse trap. Oh, they set up bear traps for me. I don't think this family is worth saving. Finally, my perfect plan can begin. After 3 minutes, I will consume every soul in this house. Everyone in this house. Haha. Ibig kasama pati pusa, pati yung ibon, pati yung spider. I mean, patay yung spider, di ba? Oh, so naging Doctor Strange, naging si Wanda siya. Everyone in the house! The kids! I have to stop him. He said he hates lights, right? Maybe if I turn them back on, something will happen. So, anong gagawin ko sa kanya? Dapat, di ko ba siya lapitan? Bakit tayo dito? Wait lang. Ano mga kaakyat? Well, dito. Whoop! Ay, hindi. Mali. Whoop! Mali. Whoop! Nawala. So, di tayo makaakyat. Paano kung matuturn on yung light na to? Wait lang. Okay, ang bobo ko dun sa part na yun. May bear trap pala. Gusto ko lang naman kumain ng keso at iligtas mga anak ko. Okay, wait. Talon. So may time lang siya. Okay, let's... Okay. Ano, lumilingon-lingon siya. Okay na. Patalon ba tayo dito? Saan ako tatalon? I think dito sa sopa. Nalaglag ako dyan eh. Okay, sabi na eh. Diba? Takbo. Akyat. So, may oras lang siya. Okay, may 1 minute na lang. Ay, hindi pa 1 minute yan. Mas talon. So, nihilibot niya yung mata niya. Oh, may naubos na yung oras. Ang dami niya pang buhay. Okay, dito pala. Okay, gets ko na. What? What? May kita ko naman yung paa niya. Wait lang. Takbo. Taas nito. Okay, muntik na. Okay, dito naman yung banda. Okay, may 1 minute lang tayo. Okay, muntik na yun ah. Patay. No! Kids! Hey, kids! Hey, did you want to hurt anyone so much? You almost ruined my family too, you know. Is that even a question? As a ghost or a monster like me, what good can I be? Being a ghost doesn't excuse you from being evil. Just because you're a ghost doesn't mean you have to be bad. Just because I'm a ghost doesn't mean I have to be a bad, huh? I can't take it anymore. I hate myself. I hate everything about me. I don't want to be evil. I don't want these evil thoughts. Does this face look like the face of someone who loves drawing? Oh, it's just a face of a soulless monster. I've heard so many people. How can someone like me be good? I don't deserve to be with the good ones. Listen, no one chooses who they are in this world. Wow. So may aral ka makukuha dito sa game na to. Ang galing. I didn't choose to be a mouse, but that doesn't matter. Because I accept it. I'm a part of it. So tanggap ko na ako'y Pinoy kahit palubog na tong Pilipinas. Shinzo Sasageo. Okay, because I accept I'm a part of it. Okay. And I don't need to change it. The real challenge is in overcoming our circumstances. Yeah, ang dami niyang circumstances na pinagdaanan. The real challenge is yung magpahabol sa pusa, magpahabol sa ibon, magpahanap sa ibon, magpahabol sa gagamba. Tapos ikaw, punyeta kang multo. And becoming better. Being a ghost doesn't make you evil. Just because you have evil thoughts doesn't mean you can't change them. Oh. It's how you choose to act that matters. Even a worse person can change. What happened in the past is over. What matters is what do you know? Oh, ano to? Wait lang. May naalala akong quote na ganito sa movie. May nagsabi nito, what is the past over that what matters in that. Yung sa Kung Fu Panda. Okay, gets. Yung kalaban niya si Shen. Yung sa Kung Fu Panda 2. Yung kalaban niya si Shen at sabi niya na what happened in the past is like scars heal. No, wounds heal. Yeah. What matters in the past? What do you know? Okay, yeah. Ang galing. Kinuha nila yung reference na yun. Thank you, little mouse. I won't forget this. This is my turning point. I'm going not to just seem better, but be better. Uy! Oy, si Pico! What? That was a life lesson. Where are you hiding? No, maybe I don't want to eat you anymore, mouse. At least for now. I wasn't really hungry. I just wanted to prove myself to the humans. Sorry about that, you know. Pinatay mo nga ako ilang beses kanina eh. Think about that, what you said. What? I wasn't hungry either. I was just bored. Ito yung magnanakaw. Thinking about what you said, I was feeling like a loser. What? Naging lesson. Ano to? Like Coco Melon? Or like, Bebe Fin? Ano to? Baby Shark? Park lesson, may mga lesson ko makukuha. Ano to? Like, para sa mga bata, I thought I was just a stupid kid. But this time, I think I can be something better. Sumali rin yung uwak. Nakalimutan ko yung uwak. I don't know what are you guys are talking about. But it made me cry anyway. You know, oh man, lahat nagsama-sama na we're family, Avengers assemble. I was going to get a photo of you as proof for my family. But this is such a special moment. I don't want to ruin it. Si Tin Tatay, hey kid, are you still numbling and jumbling with your imagination? No, Dad. It's morning. I guess my time is up. I have to leave now. Hey, picture muna. But until next time we meet, Mouse. So nagtago yung dalawa. If nakikita nyo yung dalawa dun sa likod sa may damo. I promise to be a better ghost. Nagtago sila yung dalawa, yung ibon pati magnanakaw. Uy! What a good ending. Wait, what am I missing? Your kids. Yeah, I forgot about the kids. Oh no. Where's the cheese? Reunite with kids. So we're going to reunite with the kids. Where's my freaking kids? Balik mo mga anak ko. Okay, akit tayo sa taas. Hawak na ng ghost yung pustahan. Sino itong tulog? May tulog. Uy! Oh, hey mom. So, daig pa tayo ng mga anak natin. We decided to search for you and found this cheese. You took so long. It was his idea, mom, not mine. Ay! So, dinaig pa tayo ng anak natin. I'm proud of you too. What? The mouse and... So, nag-reunite lang tayo dun sa... What? A game by... Okay. Okay. Ang ganda. May lesson ako nakuha. Sabi, wag daw magnakaw and also wag magnakaw ng cheese. Yun lang yung lesson na natutunan ko. So, yun lang. Maraming salamat sa panonood and I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa panibago kong video. Huwag kalimutan mag-like and subscribe sa aking YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Kita tayo sa next video. Maraming salamat. I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa free random horror games na nilaro ko for today. Thank you sa inyo. Kita na tayo sa next video. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye.